To set up Face Unlock on your Google Pixel 10, simply go ahead and swipe up and then tap on Settings. So let's find Settings, tap on that. And then under Settings, you want to scroll down to Security and Privacy, tap on that. And then scroll to Device Unlock, tap on that. And then you should see Face. So tap on that. And then it's going to ask for your current password, PIN, or pattern. If you don't have one of those, it's going to prompt you to set one up first. And then now you can go to the Setup Face Unlock, scroll down and tap on I agree, and then tap on Start. So basically you want to put your face in that circle, and then you want to tilt your head up. Just follow the instructions. Tilt your head down. And once it's registered, it will tell you it's registered and you can tap on Done. So from now on, you can unlock your phone using your face. Simply just look at it and you can see it's unlocked. Okay, just like that. Just looking at it, it unlocks. Thanks for watching and good luck.